Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff M.O.R.E has promised to ensure accountable and prudent use of state resources in implementing its policies and programs which are focused on building a peaceful and prosperous society for development to thrive. Governor M.O.R.E, who made this known recently during the 2023 Delta State Executive Council retreat, added that his administration had put in place parameters to monitor progress in governance and promote efficiency in service delivery across government ministries and departments.
The 2023 Delta State Executive Council retreat, led by the State Governor, Right Honorable Sheriff M.O.R.E, with the team delivering the M.O.R.E agenda for advancing Delta State, strategy and enablers, was put together to ensure that programs and activities of government ministries, departments and agencies are in line with the policy thrust of the administration. Governor M.O.R.E had promised to change the socio-economic fortunes of Deltans through the implementation of his social contract with the people, otherwise known as the M.O.R.E agenda, which is designed to achieve meaningful development opportunities for all, realistic reforms, and enhance peace and security. Speaking at the event recently, Governor M.O.R.E maintained that the goals of the administration can only be achieved when all components of government are harmonized towards a united course of action that is grounded in principle of transparency and accountability, as well as efficient service delivery.
It is my earnest expectation that this forum will provide a pathway for us to deliver on the promises of the M.O.R.E agenda through physical responsibility, synergy among the MDAs, robust community engagement, effective public communication, creative execution of programs, and excellent service delivery.
The governor also noted that at the core of his administration's mandate is the building of sustainable livelihoods for the struggling masses in backward communities in the state.
The issue before us are simple. They are about improving the quality of life of our people, about building bridges of social cohesion, about giving our people hope of a better tomorrow.
On his part, the keynote speaker at the retreat and Governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, who stressed the increased difficulties and challenges post-COVID-19 is having on the socio-economic fortunes of Nigerians, called for urgent government interventions at all levels.
The implication of all of this is that as governments, particularly as states and local governments, the people don't care about what's going on in Abuja. It is the governor, the commissioners, and the people that they see every day that they now look up to and now will hold responsible to deliver for them.
Earlier in his welcome speech, the Deputy Governor of Delta State, Sir Monday Onyeme, while charging participants to key into the philosophy and vision of the governor, said the retreat was in line with the administration's commitment to optimize governance tools for impact.
We should do things differently if we are going to make an impact on governance. At every point, let us all bear in mind that we have more to all and sundry, that a new sheriff is in town.
Also speaking at the event, Secretary to the State Government, Dr. Kingsley Emu, observed that the detailed breakdown of the policies, plans and programs of the incumbent administration, along with key performance indicators, would allow for the monitoring of service delivery across all sectors. The all-week 2023 Delta State Executive Council retreat, a strategic leadership event for top government functionaries in the state, ended with the signing of a performance bond by commissioners to keep them dedicated and motivated in their service.
Inside the Niger Delta,